Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. Today's video is going to be a fun one because I'm going to take you along with me as I remove my hair extensions. Okay, today's going to be a great day. So I am currently eating, I'm trying to eat breakfast more, so I found a recipe for this banana mug cake. It's pretty good. Like, I could eat this for breakfast. It's super easy to make. I bought these cute little tins off Amazon to like make me want to make them, you know, aesthetically cute. But it was simple, so I am just enjoying this right now. I have the recipe, like me making it is on my TikTok, and I'll probably post it as a short on my second YouTube channel, which is just by Samantha March. So I'm eating that because I do like to run to Starbucks before my hair appointment, so I have something to drink. So I wanted to make sure I have breakfast before I have my caffeine and my sugar. So doing that, I'm just gonna do, I don't really do a lot of makeup on hair days because they wash my hair and they give a really nice like scalp massage and everything. To have a ton of makeup on, but I do have quite a few breakouts because my period is coming tomorrow. So that's what we're dealing with. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Nars Soft Matte Concealer. But I just thought that I would take you along with me and get my extensions out. So I am going on vacation next week. I'm super excited because I'm going with Angie and Heather Austin, and then my girlfriend Ashley, who lives at the complex with me, and she's been in a few of my videos. We are heading off on a cruise next week, and we're going to Mexico. And I have learned over the, almost 2 years since having hair extensions that hair extensions are not the easiest on vacation, especially if you are going somewhere with like the ocean. Like, I've been to Mexico and Hawaii, and you really have to take care of your extensions. You don't want to go like in the ocean water and all of that. And if you're somewhere with really high humidity, it actually can get pretty annoying because you kind of just want to throw your hair up. And especially having so much hair, like I have 2.5 rows and 22 inches. It's just a lot of hair to deal with. So like in Hawaii, I remember I got a blowout before I went, and then I literally had my hair in a bun the entire time. And I was like, what? So I told myself after Hawaii, I was like, if I go on another vacation, I'm going to take my extensions out. And this worked really well because my move up was actually scheduled for today. Like, that was my original move up date. And then we leave, so today's a Friday, and we leave next Thursday. And I was like, you know what, perfect. I was like, can I just change my appointment? Just have you guys like take it out. And then I did schedule an appointment for February. So they'll be out for about 3 weeks. And then I am planning to put them back in. But I also want to see, like, maybe I'll want to keep them out longer. Maybe I'll want to keep them out for like a significant amount of time. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I am kind of fearful that my heater just kicked on because it's cold in here, so you can probably hear that. But my fear is that they're going to take them out and I'm really not going to like it. So I'm kind of nervous, but I'm like, regardless, I know that I want them out for the cruise. It will just be easier on me. So I know I at least want them out for the week, but I'm like, if I really don't like it, I might see if I can schedule an appointment for when we get back. But I really would like to keep them out for, just like a decent amount of time. And I also want to make, like, there's this rosemary spray that's going around that's supposed to help for hair growth, and you spray it like on your roots. So I bought some rosemary. I'm planning to do that like multiple times a week. You just spray it in and leave it. I'm planning to do that multiple times during the week while I have my extensions out, because my hope is that I don't always have to have hair extensions, right? I got my extensions because I went through fertility treatments with my ex-husband, and the medication combined with the stress, I lost so much hair. My hair was coming out in chunks. It was super short. It was super, super thin. And then after I decided that I was getting a divorce and I was moving, I was like, I just want to do something to feel more confident. And my hair was just a very sore subject for me. And also, it was just a visual reminder of what I had gone through. So I was like, if I can just make one little change and give myself some hair, that is what I did. But it's pretty expensive. There's a lot of upkeep to them and all of that. So I'm gonna be excited for a little break, and hopefully it doesn't hinder my confidence too much. We'll see how it goes though. But I'm just gonna slap some powder on here and probably just some mascara, and then we are going to head out to this appointment. So come along with me as I get these extensions out. All right, so we just took the extensions out. Here's what the hair is looking like. So we still have to like wash it and like do all the things, but this is my natural hair. Okay. I will say getting hair washed without having extensions is like the most miraculous feeling ever, so that's great. Okay, so we didn't like curl it because that'll just like make it feel shorter, but I really like that. I gotta figure out how to do this at home though. This is cute. I feel like this I could handle, but here we are. No extensions. Okay, we did it. We did it. Oh, this feels so weird. Okay, here is my natural hair. I think she's cute. I think she's cute, at least for like a little bit. And you know, whenever you go to the salon, they can just do it so much cuter than you can do it at home. But I bought a scalp massager because now I can actually like really massage my scalp, which is gonna feel super weird. I'm gonna make the rosemary spray that I see going around that's supposed to help with hair growth. So I'm gonna be making that when I get home. And I also got the blowout brush from Komi. I have a short here on YouTube of trying to use it, and so many of you gave me really good tips. So I tried it again, and I actually had a much better experience. So thank you to everyone who left me a tip. So I got the blowout brush because I really like the way that she did it, and like it looks bouncy. But you know, the only thing that I realized that I didn't buy for this is like regular hair ties. All of my scrunchies are super thick. So I don't even know, like, how am I gonna put my hair up like when I go to the gym? Oh my gosh, this is so weird. It's like lengthwise, I wish it was a little bit longer for sure. It still feels pretty thin though. It's not as thin as it was when I first got it, because I mean, it was, you could see my scalp in places, truly. So it's not as thin, but I would definitely like it to be thicker. So hopefully like the rosemary spray will help and all of that. But that is it. Thank you so much for coming along to the salon with me today. We are going to be rocking the natural hair for at least the next few weeks. See what we think, see how we like it. And that's gonna be everything for this vlog. I'm gonna head home and get back to work. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you also consider subscribing before you go, and I'll see you in my next one.